Use me to push the flies off. So I got Bob here. I'm giving him his medicine. I wanted to get a video of that. This is, I believe, the third time I've given it to him. We're right out a week. So it hasn't been that many times. It hasn't been that long. I think he likes it. It hasn't been that long, but I wanted you to see. Apparently he likes the taste of it. I still haven't tasted it yet. I probably will at some point. It just smells too good. Open your mouth. There we go. So it's hard to tell. I know we've gotten a little bit cooler, and I'll be putting hay out in this pasture soon because we're in the fall. Grass is starting to die off, and temperature's a little bit better. So I don't really know. It's kind of early for me to say that this is what's helping him, but he definitely, I like what I'm seeing so far, and this is only the third time getting it. So maybe a combination of this and medicine, a little bit better weather, but his body condition's a lot better. I can just barely feel ribs. Of course, he's standing on one foot. That's going to shift that a little bit, but overall, I think it might be helping. We'll see. I'll keep giving it to him and keep updating, and I'll let you know how he does. So this is Bob. I'll put a link to the other videos I've done of him, and I'll put a link to when I started him on this medicine where I tell you exactly what it is. Until next time, thank you for watching.